Hello and welcome. In today's tutorial I will show you how to make an animation like this on LCD screen using Arduino. For that we will use an intuitive code generator. So we are in custom glyph generator. It translates your sketches or your frames to the Arduino bytecode. So we have a few functions here. We can draw. Just click on the pixel and it will draw a square. It will backlight this pixel. So you can see here is a bytecode for it. And you can just unclick it. So up to 8 sections can be used at once. So this is one section. So up to 8 at once. We can adjust the size of the screen. In our case, it will be 16 by 2, 16 sections by 2. And we can choose a color from green, blue, red to grayscale. I will pick the blue. And this is the most important part for our first glyph. It will include the library, but for me, it will be another library, I would say, because I have my LCD screen with a converter. So this will be first few lines for me. I will include it below the video, all the code, so don't worry about that. And here is the main loop. This loop will implement your whole frames and play it on and on. Okay, I'll copy it and paste. So let's draw a ball which flies from left to right. Let's have like this. And now I should copy the code. No, not this one. Again, I will here. Here's our main loop. So here our frames will play. So you have to just number your images. This is first frame and this will be a second, and it will play frames one after another. Second. I will skip now to the last frame and show the results. So this is our last frame. We have 14 frames here. It's a bunch of code. And for delay we have 150 milliseconds. You can adjust that all by clicking on it and press Alt. So now our ball goes like this. And let's change it to delay to 100 milliseconds. Let's implement that. It goes way faster. Okay, see you next time.